Hello guys, today we will solve more interesting problem. So today's problem is count complete three nodes. So let's see how we can solve this problem. In this problem we have to count complete three nodes. So in this diagram, as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 total 7 nodes are present. So just we have to count how many nodes in a given tree basically. So let's see how we can solve this problem. So if we consider this problem, we will solve with the help of recursion. And if we take left part and right part, so we have to assume, so right part will give me the count how many nodes present in a right part and how many nodes are present in the left part. And again we have to consider our head, so right plus left plus 1, this is our total number of nodes in a given tree. Now the next thing is that the edge case. So edge case is basically here is if my left and right basically none, my left or right basically none, so we just have to return 0 because there is no node, on the left side and there is no node on the right side. So as per our formula, right plus left plus 1, so there is no node, so we return 0. There is no node, we return 0, and right plus left plus 1 is basically a 1. We will do the same thing now. The 7 will return to this function, so 1. So here from 6 node we will get 1, then right 1 plus left 1 plus 1, so it returned 3, so 3 will return to this node. Let's see how we can solve this problem and then you will going to understand. First of all, if my not root, so we just simply have to return 0. So left is basically a count of node, so root dot left and root dot right, and left plus right plus 1. Let me check. Accepted. Let me submit. And now it is working. Thank you guys and keep coding.